It is the last day of our 8-day Troll Expeditions Iceland Ring Road Tour. We'll be exploring the Snæfellsnes Peninsula in depth, which is said to be a mini Iceland in itself. We will visit Gerðuberg basalt columns, Ytri-Tunga white sand beach, Djúpalónssandur black sand beach, Kirkjufell mountain and the beautiful town of Arnarstapi, all under the mighty Snæfellsjökull glacier. If you do not have the time to do the whole Iceland loop, Snæfellsnes Peninsula offers a glimpse into everything that Iceland has to offer, all that in a single day trip. Gerðuberg is a row of perfectly shaped hexagonal basalt columns. The cliff on which Gerðuberg columns reside is over a kilometer long, with columns between 7 and 14 meters tall and up to 1.5 meters wide. Many have compared the feature to a fortress wall. The most unusual thing about Gerðuberg is how the columns are so geometrically symmetrical that they seem to be carved by hand. Ytri-Tunga beach is a part of a huge farm by the same name. The interesting thing that makes the beach unique is its golden sand. Apart from its picturesque beauty, Ytri-Tunga is highly known among the locals for seal watching. We saw the skeleton of a whale which was left there on the beach looking like a prehistoric fossil. Buddha Kirkja, or the Black Church of Buddha, was a unique site just off the ring road. More lava fields while we travel to Arnarstapi. And this one has preserved the path of the flow over all these years. Arnarstapi is a village on the southern side of Snæfellsnes Peninsula, once a fishing hub and now a place for travelers to refuel. The area has several old and charming houses with interesting stories to them and is renowned for its beautiful nature. Arnarstapi has an eroded circular stone arch, and here the interplay of spectacular waves and the light of the sun create a fascinating spectacle. Large colonies of the Arctic tern also nest in the area, and both these features make it very popular among photographers. These Arctic terns have made the cliffs their home, marking the area white and making the area smelly and a bit noisy. to be careful exploring these porous cliffs as there are multiple caverns that open up close to the walking path. Check out the large jellyfish colony down there. As I said, the village is very beautiful indeed and feels special with the whitewashed cliffs and associated noise. Djúpalónssandur, or the Black Lava Pearl Beach, is a beautiful place to visit, and it is like stepping into a lava wonderland. On the beach you will notice the iron pieces from the British trawler the Uppbeat GY7, which was wrecked east of Gerðuberg Cove on the night of March 1948. The iron remains which washed up on the beach are protected and should not be touched. They are kept here in memory of these brave fishermen from England. The whole beach is made of small black smooth pebbles called Djúpalónssandur, pearls of Djúpalón. If you remember the huge black sand beach from earlier at Vik, this one is a very concentrated form of the same but with more bizarre lava formations. On our way to the Arrowhead mountain, we took a pit stop at this crater, which I think is Saxhole, and took a hike over a flight of steps. And our final stop, the Church Mountain, or the Arrowhead Mountain from Game of Thrones, Kirkjufell, the most photographed mountain in Iceland. Peaking at 463 meters, Kirkjufell is an impressive landmark on its own, yet within walking distance from Kirkjufell is Kirkjufellsfoss. This waterfall is an excellent subject for photographers who can easily frame the mountain in the background. Doing the coastal loop is the easy route to take while exploring this amazing island, but for the adventurous there are the Highlands or the F-Road tours. This is Wonder Sapiens signing off, hoping that one day we will return to explore this amazing planet of natural wonder which keeps reminding us of the incredible power of Mother Nature.